insert the key and turn counterclockwise, you'll hear the release of the deadbolt, but it's still not unlocked. You'll need to turn it further and maybe a slight tug on the key to release the doorknob, but the thumb lever is still locked. To release the thumb lever, the top button must be pushed in. Now the thumb lever will work. Watch. When it's time to close and lock the door, do everything in reverse. Just pull the door closed, turn the key clockwise, keep turning, pull the key out, and replace into the lockbox. The thumb lever is now locked. Thank you for visiting.